Good morning, girls. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing MNS mock test paper 9. Please go through all mock test number 8. It has been given in the playlist. You can directly go through the previous year question papers also. I have created different playlist. Please go through them. Let us see what we have been given in GK and GS of 50 questions plus bio chemistry and physics of 50 questions. Total 100 questions have been given. The first transgender school was established at Kochi. So we knew that Arabian Queen of Arabian Sea, that is Kochi, as well as the first transgender school was established at Kochi, as you can see right below how this has been organized. Next we have the largest number of poultry population, that is Andhra Pradesh, where you find maximum poultry farming. The crop insurance was introduced in 1985. Whatever the insurance regarding crop, for the renewal you have to pay the amount. If there is any discrepancy of the in the crop, then you will have the amount from the government subsidized. So it has been set up in 1985. National Mental Health Program was started in India in 1982. We have NIMHANS in Bangalore. So it is National Mental Health Program was started in 1982. The now center of computer is Arithmetic Logic Unit, which is inside the central processing unit, that is brain of the computer. We should know what exactly the heart of the computer, that is microprocessor. Here the now center of the computer is Arithmetic Logic Unit, which is used for the logical computing. World's first solar powered airport, that is Cochin International Airport, is the world first solar powered airport. In Assam also we have the solar powered airport over there. The Supreme Court established in 1950. As you can see, in 1950 the Supreme Court has been established, that is located in New Delhi. The largest pyramid, as you can see right side, in Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is known as the largest pyramid in Egypt. Black soil is also called regur soil, which is used for the cotton producing. It's one of the great content where you can make out the cotton that is from the black soil. So it is also known as regur soil. The biggest port of India is located in which place? That is Mumbai. It is a natural port also, which is surrounded by various islands. DDT stands dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. The best definition, the best abbreviation, you should remember it. DDT stands dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Was invented by Moseley scientist. The headquarters of the Coffee Board of India is located in Bangalore. We should know the maximum producer of coffee is from Karnataka. In the case of world, that is Brazil. In the case of tea, that is Assam. The famous integral coach factory ICF for the manufacture of railway coaches is situated at Perambadur. Please go through this, where exactly integral coach factories are located as per your requirement of examinations. The first chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission is Dr. Homi J. Bhabha, is the first chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. As you can see right side how he exactly looks like. And first atomic energy, this explosion has been taken at Pokhran in Rajasthan. The Central Rice Research Station is situated in which place? This is situated in Cuttack in Orissa. The country that has the highest in barley production, Russia. In Russia they have various barley production maximum content. The satellite launching station in Andhra Pradesh is Sriharikota, where the satellite will be launched from the Sriharikota, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. The Governor General who abolished Sati Pratha, Lord William Bentinck, he has been supported by Raja Ram Mohan Roy also. He introduced English education to India. He is a Governor General who abolished Sati 1829. The oldest literary work available in Tamil was, we should know the Dravidian languages. The oldest literary work available in Tamil is Tokapiyam. as you can see right side, how exactly the 7th strategy of war in Tokapiyam, how it has been given. Punjab is famous for woolen textiles, very famous. The Punjab has got woolen textile industries. The Hindustan shipyard is located in which place? In Vizag. The Hindustan shipyard is located. The plant important in sericulture is mulberry, where the silkworms are feeded by the mulberry leaves. One people, one state, one leader was the policy given by Adolf Hitler, who had written Mein Kampf. As you can see how short he is, he ruled over the Germany. The first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress, that is Badruddin Tayyibji, is the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress. The soil is suitable for agriculture, that is peaty soil is suitable for the agriculture, black soil is for cotton. Groundnut purpose, red soil is essential. The Central Arid Zone Research Institute, CAZRI, is located at Jodhpur, which is in Rajasthan. You should know what exactly the function of the Central Arid Zone Research Institute. Please go through internet. You will find little information regarding this. The radiations carries maximum energy, gamma rays. We should know which carries maximum energy, that is gamma rays, which may affect your body also. The element with 3 isotopes have different names, that is hydrogen. We should know what are the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. I had already told in previous slides: protium, deuterium, tritium. So we have 1H1, 1H2, 1H3 follows. The first bank established in India was Bank of Hindustan. The aviation fuel for jet aeroplanes consists of purified kerosene. It has got purified kerosene which has got gasoline, that is aviation fuel. Next, the king who invaded Delhi and plundered the Kohinoor diamond, that is Nadir Shah, who invaded Delhi and taken the Kohinoor diamond. In the context of medieval Indian history, which geographical, that is Central Asia, so the whole can be seen. Belt was denoted as Turan. In which year did Tamerlane invade India? That is in 1398. You can see this. Next we have Chachama records the history of which conquest? That is Arabs. Multan was named by the Arabs as City of Gold, where you can see how the Multan looks alike. It is known as City of Gold. The idol of dancing girl, which is made of bronze. You should know during Indus Valley civilization, in the archaeological excavations, there is a dancing girl statue which was found. That depicts Indus Valley civilization. It is made of bronze. It's a mixture of copper and tin. It belongs to this Indus Valley civilization, also known as Harappa civilization. Which statement about the Indus Valley civilization is not true? Animal meat was the staple food. No, they doesn't eat animal meat, and it's not a staple food for them. Which is proved by the discovery of seal, and which Indus Valley site was the first to be discovered? That is Harappa. The Harappan site Ropar was situated on the banks of which river? And Harappa is situated on the bank of the river Ravi and Sutlej. The Harappan site Manda was situated on the banks of river Chenab. You will find the site Manda. Who was born to the Chauhan king Someshwara and his queen Karpura Devi in 1166 CE? That is Prithviraj Chauhan. He was born to the, who is the father and mother of Prithviraj Chauhan, that is Karpura Devi and Chauhan king Someshwara. The first invasion of Muhammad Ghori was in when he attacked Multan is 1175 AD. The first invasion has taken place, Muhammad Ghori, so he attacked Multan. Who was the best known Chahawa or Chauhan ruler who defeated Sultan Muhammad Ghori? Is Prithviraj III in 1191 AD. Prithviraj III has defeated Muhammad Ghori. Who was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in the battle of Chandavar? Jai Chand has been defeated by Muhammad Ghori in the battle of Chandavar. You should know all these battles. You may be asked in few examinations. In their examination, you may be asked few battles or freedom moments. Who did not rule the Delhi Sultanate? That is Ghori dynasty. As per the Ghori dynasty, you can find they haven't ruled over Delhi Sultanate. Last Delhi Sultanate woman ruler is our first and last is Raja Sultan. As you can see right side how Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Gori multiple times but let him go every time. Muhammad Gori got one time lucky and history of India changed forever. So you shouldn't underestimate anyone. The first battle of Panipat, which laid the foundation of 1526 and 1556, second battle has been taken place. And message me when was the third battle of Panipat has taken place, which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard, that is port town Lothal, which is in the Gujarat. Permanent revenue settlement of Bengal was introduced by Cornwallis. Gandhi's Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha started from the Sabarmati ashram is associated with civil disobedience movement. Mushroom rock, as you can see right side how it looks like, it is located in Thar desert, which is in Rajasthan. These kind of mushroom rocks you will find in Thar desert. Next we have a tissue. This is biological questions. A tissue is a group of cells having similar origin, structure and function. So this is called a tissue. Milk, butter and ghee provides vitamin A as well as vitamin D. All enzymes are made up of what? They are made up of protein. Next we have the number of cervical vertebrates. There are in total of 7, as you can see in figure how the cervical spine has got 7 bones from C1 to C7. The heart of the young man beats 72 times per minute, so 0.8 second one time it will be having beat. The main function of the white cells in the body is to protect the body against the diseases which fights against any kind of wounds. Lungs are covered by, there is a membrane known as pleura. In human beings, fertilization takes place in fallopian tube. As you can see how the fallopian tube looks like. The female sex hormone manufactured by the ovary is called estrogen. When does the heart take rest? It doesn't take rest. It will keep on beating every time. The part of our heart receives deoxygenated blood, that is right auricle. Pulse reading is done by doctors to find out heartbeat. Next we have the scapula is the shoulder bone. As you can see how the shoulder bone looks like. Ball and socket type of joint is found between femur as well as pelvic bone. You will find this type of ball and socket type of joint. You should know where exactly the patella location. In that knee you have the patella, and in the case of ball and socket type you will find between femur and pelvic. Which among the following is not an animal hormone? That is, auxin is not a animal hormone. The vitamins gets destroyed during the process and cooking food. The vitamin which is most susceptible to heat destruction is vitamin C gets destroyed. You should know exactly where it is used. Here you can see the auxin, how it looks like. Next we have organic food includes vitamins, fats and proteins. It has got all those three. The largest gland in the human body is liver. Largest endocrine gland is thyroid. The largest endocrine, you should know, it is the butterfly shape. Gastric juices consist of what are the enzymes? Pepsin and renin, which is useful in the digestion of the food. Glomeruli kidney of human kidney is enclosed in Bowman's capsule. As you can see, glomerulus is located inside the kidney. It's enclosed by the Bowman's capsule. How it looks, you can directly go through proximal tubule. Next, the organ responsible for the purification of blood is kidney, which purifies the blood. It has got the functional unit, that is nephron. The fat tissue containing large number of cells that store fat drops or globules is known as adipose. You should know ATP stands adipose triphosphate. As usual, here the fat tissue containing large number of cells that store fat drops or globules are known as adipose. You can see how the adipose tissue looks like. Biological death of a patient means death of tissues of the brain. So you will have the biological death due to the death of the tissues in the brain. Blood vessels that bring blood back to the heart from the body are known as, they are veins. So whatever the blood vessels that bring blood back to the heart, they are veins. You can see pulmonary vein is one type of example. Pacemaker or stent of the is used in which place? They are used in heart as a SA node. Next we have the normal systolic and diastolic blood pressure is 120 by 80 millimeter mercury, that is Hg. Reproduction in man is only sexual process that can only be possible in the reproduction of human. The age of puberty of the girls is between 12 to 13 years of age. They will have the puberty stage. You will see the growth of breasts and pubic hair continues. Armpit hair starts to grow, the vagina grows in size, the first menstrual cycle begins. So we'll have these effects in stage 3 of the puberty of for the girls. The human sperm has 46 chromosomes, it means 23 pairs. One increase in, that is 47 chromosomes, leads to Down syndrome. Even Mongolian people have got 21 chromosome where they will have the Down syndrome disease. Androgens is male hormones. As you can see, what are the male hormones? Androgens. Next we have the physics. First atomic reactor was designed by E. Fermi, has designed the atomic reactor. The transistor is a device used to transfer of resistor from low resistor to high resistor. The scientist who to assign positive or negative sign for the charge is Benjamin Franklin. The electric charge resides only on the outer surface of the conductor. So here you should know the electric charge resides only on the outer surface of the conductor. The material of heating element of an electric heater should have high resistivity and high melting point. Next we have the physics one. The efficiency of a cell is 0 when it is short circuited. Filament 100-watt lamp is thinner than that or 200-watt lamp. So you should know the filament which is made of tungsten. 100-watt lamp is thinner than that of 200-watt lamp. Unit of magnetic flux is Weber, which is the unit of magnetic flux. An electromagnet is made of, that is soft iron. Angle of depth at the pole is 90 degrees is the angle of depth. We have chemistry. What is the most abundant metal in the earth's crust is aluminum is the most abundant metal in the earth's crust. Which are the metal that is present in photofilms? That is silver. Which element that doesn't occur in nature but can be produced artificially? That is plutonium is the one which can be produced artificially. In vulcanization of rubber, with which the natural rubber is heated, with the help of sulfur it is heated. The chemical used as a fixer in the photography is sodium thiosulfide is a chemical which is used in the photography, and sodium silver bromide also used in the photography. Which is not a physical change. Carbon dioxide turns lime water. It is not a physical, it is a chemical change. Directly when you pass the carbon dioxide into the lime water, it gets directly to the milky shape, milky color. A chemical change doesn't occur when water boils. You will see only physical change. Reactions accompanied by absorption of heat are called endothermic reaction. As you can see how endothermic and exothermic takes place. So this is accompanied by absorption of heat are known as endothermic process. You should know exactly how it is activated, the endothermic action as well as exothermic action. The one which is not a physical property of matter, that is combustibility, which is not a physical property of matter. As you can see, wood is combustible. After combusting that directly gets converted into ash. So you will see the chemical property change in this. So you will have the chemical change in that method. What is a compound? And here you should know what exactly the compound and what exactly the alloy. Here after mixing two metals you will have an alloy, that is example bronze. You can see, so bronze is a copper and tin. It's a alloy of two metals. In the case of compound, water has got the molecule H2O. In this, hydrogen, oxygen are two elements which are mixed together. It makes compound. It's not an element because water is not an element, it is a compound. Air is a mixture, it is not a compound. So the difference between the water and air you should know. In the examination you may be asked these kind of simple questions. This will be very useful. I hope all these 100 questions will be very helpful for you. Please share it to your friends, let them be benefited in examinations. Help one another and crack examinations and rock in your life. Thank you girls. Please, If you want PDF, you can ask me for PDF. I'll provide you 2100 questions by your WhatsApp. Feel free to call on my mobile 7666 730 252. Have a good day. Have a great life from Indian Navy retired sailor Sandeep Kumar Reddy.